Hi everyone, it's Nicole Soper here, and today we are with DrKumo and NAVA, the Native Americans Veterans Association, to celebrate Veterans Day with a ceremony and the resource fair. It's important for DrKumo to be here today with the Native Americans Veteran Association to celebrate Veterans Day and show the veterans the technology that we offer that allows them to get the healthcare that they need from the comfort of their own homes. The problem with healthcare today, especially for veterans, is that patients with chronic illnesses aren't able to get the care that they need in time due to hospital backlog, overcrowding, and the COVID pandemic. The great thing about DrKumo is we offer remote patient monitoring where the patients can get in touch with the physicians and send their vitals from the comfort of their own homes.
I don't know if you've ever been to the VA, but I'm sure it's a headache just to even get a call back, so stuff like this is amazing for veterans who I think somewhat are prideful in trying to ask for help. So instead of them going to ask, it's kind of being brought to them.
The biggest benefit of DrKumo's technology is that we're saving lives with preventative care. Our remote patient monitoring technology continuously takes your vitals in real time and will notify your doctor or your loved ones if there are any issues.
We want all veterans to know that they are not left alone. We are with them, not part of the way, but all the way. We want to help with them, to assess all these conditions so they can be back to normal and live as a normal citizen again after going to war, protecting and serving our country. And we are deadly, and we're so in debt to them for their efforts to keep our country safe.
I think that DrKumo is going to be a vital role in healthcare services to veterans. If I would have had this scale in the beginning of the pandemic, or even now moving forward, juggling life, juggling school, juggling my kids, it's going to prevent a lot of lost sleep that I was having and a lot of security.
And DrKumo should be congratulated for the work that he's done and giving it to the community the way he has. Thank you so much, Doctor.
So I say to all of you, thank you very much. This is a tremendous understanding of life. Hilda, again, 1,000 times over.
We really believe in just raising awareness for chronic illnesses, and this is just a perfect opportunity for us to be here to raise the awareness. And we have been working with Native American Veterans Association, and we have been doing that. So today, which is Veterans Day, would be a perfect day for us to be here.
I think one of the most important things is information is access and knowledge, and if you don't have that information, you're not going to be able to make informed decisions based on your health or other parts of your life. So in order to have a good quality of life, it's important to connect to the resources in your community, and I think events like this provide with that information that often is not out there in the communities. I think DrKumo is allowing us veterans to make the decisions for our health, and is allowing us to be a better understanding of what we need for our health. Thank you for doing that.
With our technology, they can measure their health vitals at home, and without being tied into a clinic, especially during the pandemic. That will allow them to take care of their health, monitor their health remotely.
The technology will really help a lot of different veterans that's not able to get to their appointments, when they're going through whatever they're going through with their health-wise. Those technology is going to link it to the doctors directly, especially if they're not able to get there. There's so many veterans that don't have transportation, that's homeless, that's really not actually able to get to those doctor's appointments on a frequent basis. So this technology and the app that links to it actually will help a lot of people.
Some of the greatest benefits that DrKumo provides for veterans would be its ease of use. As complex as health medicine is, we've designed the infrastructure and the foundation with cybersecurity framework such that it's still so easy to use for the patients, and the easier it is to be used, the more lives we'll be able to save.
DrKumo remote patient monitoring systems said that if these underrepresented Native Americans knew that these devices are there for them, lives could have been saved from the standpoint that they now have an ability to take advantage of these devices and be monitored 24/7. And the data is sent directly to their primary health care provider, which can see if there's any great changes, if they need to step in and bring them in before it's catastrophic for their health. And we found that this was a wonderful shoe-in to help our community, which suffers greatly with health issues, diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, lungs, you name it. You know, it is one of the per capita highest impacted community that has, you know, health issues. So this product was like a godsend.
At the end of the day, DrKumo and the Native American Veterans Association would like to show our appreciation for the veterans by offering our remote patient monitoring services for veterans for preventative care at the ease of your own home, because we care about your health. For more information, check out our website at www.drkumo.com.